Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the software and sensor are ready. This saves time. First, open Settings and update iOS if available. Face ID depends on system firmware. Next, inspect the true depth camera. Wipe gently with a microfiber cloth, remove any screen protector that covers the notch, and make sure nothing blocks the camera. Once done, go to Face ID and passcode to verify Face ID is enabled and attention detection is set. These basic checks often resolve common failures quickly. Now you reset and re-register Face ID to eliminate software glitches and poor initial scans. Tap Reset Face ID, then choose Set up Face ID. Position the phone about 10 to 20 inches from your face and follow the 2 enrollment circles slowly. Move your head gently to capture different angles. This improves the biometric map. For accuracy, use soft, even lighting. Remove sunglasses or heavy makeup for the first enroll. Then add a secondary scan with glasses if you wear them frequently. Finish by verifying hardware and, if necessary, using advanced software steps. Use the Apple Support App Diagnostics or book a Genius Bar to test the True Depth module. Hardware faults need professional repair. If diagnostics are fine but Face ID still fails, back up your iPhone, update iOS, and perform a full restore to rule out deep software corruption. One troubleshooting tip: if Face ID fails after repair or drop, recalibrate by repeating the full setup. Hardware alignment can shift, and a fresh enrollment often fixes recognition.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.